I'm so glad to have you with me. I have received series of calls concerning people that are interested in having their own comedy skits. Likewise, I also noticed that whenever a top celebrity, a top comedian is posting their own videos, some people are begging them for them to act with them. Some people will just, oh my God, I would like to act with you. Please, I know how to act. Can you please help me act with you? See, let me tell you, they won't listen to you. One, you've not acted before, or even if you have acted before, you are not known. So, begging them will not help you. But there are some things that will help you. Instead of beg them, why not have your own comedy skit and grow yourself gradually? Don't you think that would be the solution than to call them, hello, you will text them, you SMS them. They're not going to reason you. That is the truth. Now, but what I will tell you is that I want to show you the way. Although you may be thinking that, oh, is this man, not be this guy where they say I want to show you the way. Fine, I know I'm not fully known in the industry, but I want to tell you what you will need to do for you to start the race of making skits and how to be successful. These things are what the top people out there in the skit making industry won't tell you. But I just want to tell you for free. If you follow this course without skipping any part, believe me, you will be as huge as they are in the industry. Now, skit making in Nigeria, according to Mr. Sabinus, is the new oil industry. It's like an oil industry because a lot of people are making millions from skits. You may now be wondering how. Take for example, Shaggy is making up to 8 million naira per month through YouTube only. That is according to a research. According to Sabinus, he is making up to 10 million naira per month from skit making. That means you and I can also make such amount of money from skit making. But how is it possible? Can it be done for just one day? What do you think you can do for you to start making money from skits? All these things are what you will learn from this course. Skit making is very easy.
Will you keep quiet?
What did I just say? Skit making is very easy. Anybody that tell you skit making is very easy, that person is setting trap for you. Skit making is not easy at all because you need some tools to set it up. You need to be funny. You need to create your storyline. Then you need to let people see what you are doing. You need to let people like what you are doing. I need to start thinking of how to make money from it. So are those tasks easy tasks? They are not. But now, how do you start skit making? With this tutorial, I will show you the simple step that you will take to start skit making. And you do not need huge capital. You only need your Android phone. Or if you have iPhone, if you do not have iPhone, use Android fine, so long you can video with it. Then you need an app to edit it. You need your social media account. Then you need people. People in a sense that people that will act the skit with you and people that will be viewing your skits. Those are your fans. Those are what you need. As I told you earlier, I wanted to make this tutorial a paid one. But for many of us that do not have money to afford it, for now, I want to make it free for all of you. Now, as I told you, this is just the introductory aspect of this tutorial. Me, I'm not huge in the industry, but I want you to be huge. And I also want to be huge. So we grow together. To continue for this tutorial, you will have to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Learn with Blogs Ije. Also, you can subscribe to my comedy channel, Blogs Ije Comedy, for you to learn more about comedy. Stay tuned for the beginning of the tutorial. This is just an introduction. Thanks for watching.